Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is just a short little snippet of information about Dockers. So I've got my Join Curves open Docker. And if you don't know where your Dockers are, they're under Windows, Dockers, and you have a whole list of them. And you can see I've got Join Curves, and I've actually made a hotkey for it earlier today. And I don't normally have more than one Docker open, but instead of going to Windows, Dockers, and then finding that Docker, you can hit this plus sign right here and bring up all the Dockers. Let's pick up the blend Docker. Now, so I've got the blend and the join curves. Let's pick another one. It's going to put it behind itself. Let's go one I use quite a bit. Align and distribute. So now I've got three Dockers open. They're on top of each other. If I want the blend, I just click on it. If I want the align, so they're all three just open there. This is a pretty big deal when you want to do something that you're using all three tools. Instead of going up here and open the Docker, and sometimes when you open a Docker from here, we'll open guideline Docker, and you don't know really where it's at. It's always going to be on top normally. You can have these separated out and open probably more than one, or even close them down for a little bit if you want more room. But this is a pretty cool where you could blend something. So we'll just take two items and blend them together with the blend Docker, and we're just going to blend them once and hit apply. And then if we want to go to join the curves, we got join the curves. So get used to using your Dockers. Now, if you want to get rid of all of them, you just hit an X right there and they're gone. So Dockers are under Windows. Some of the most important ones are the join curves, or to me anyway, the property Docker, real important. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.